10 mistakes to avoid when using a steam floor mop. Once plugged in, a steam mop heats up quickly. Therefore, the mop foot can get too hot to handle if you try to attach the cloth while it's heating up. There's also a potential risk of electrical shock while handling a wet mop cloth while the mop is plugged in. Sometimes you get distracted while you're waiting for the mop to heat up. For example, you're ready to start cleaning the floor and you've plugged it into an outlet, but then the phone rings or someone's at the door. If that happens, unplug the mop and return to it later. Floors should be vacuumed or swept before they are steam mopped. If you skip this step, any surface dirt, sand, dust, crumbs, and hair will be picked up by the steam mop, hindering its ability to do a good job. It's similar to washing a window with a dirty cloth. Mopping without vacuuming also means you have to change the mop cloth more frequently. With the exception of a few models that have dual functions, steam mops are typically designed to be used with water and nothing else. The steam alone does a great job of cleaning the floor. Always read the manual thoroughly for complete use guidelines. When you have a large floor area or more than one room to clean, it can be tempting to just keep mopping and ignore the amount of dirt buildup on the mop cloth. However, cleaning with a dirty mop just spreads the dirt around. It's common for steam mop manufacturers to warn against using steam mops on unsealed floors, a vague direction. The fact is, there's no such thing as a completely sealed wood or laminate floor. Most hardwood floors are finished with polyurethane, a moisture-resistant finish. However, even hairline gaps between boards are not bridged by the finish, thus leaving the wood exposed to moisture and especially steam. While using a steam mop to wash walls doesn't sound like a bad idea, hot steam could cause paint to bubble, peel, or lift. If that happens, it's also likely to damage the drywall or other material under the paint. Cold porcelain toilets and other fixtures can crack if subjected to a burst of hot steam. Keep the mop on the floor and away from direct contact with the fixture. Leaving a wet mop cloth on when storing your mop could result in mildew, as well as ruin the cloth head. Therefore, you should always remove the cloth after the mop has cooled. It's fine to add a clean cloth if you want the mop to be ready to roll the next time you need it. Laundering the dirty cloth immediately will help to remove stains before they set in. Most steam mop pads can be cleaned in the washer with like color items, but they should be air dried. Many mop pads are microfiber, which can be damaged if it's washed with fabric softener or a dryer sheet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.